So Jared, what are we looking at here?
Well, here we're looking at a sulfur well, also known as Satan's armpit. Legend has it, actually an Apache legend has it, that when God cast Satan down to the earth for his betrayal in the heavens, this is where he hid out for a little while. Later on he journeyed down to hell, but this is his first stopping point, and it reeks like sin.
What's it smell like?
It smells sort of like a mixture of goat's breath and... well, mainly it just smells like goat's breath, to be honest. Goat's breath and clovers, I'd say.
What causes this type of activity?
Well, it depends on who you ask. Some people say it's caused by God's fury at Satan. Others say it because it's real hot down there. And there's some sulfur and it just kind of boils up. Who knows?
Huh. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.